Good morning, people. This one's going to YouTube, so good morning, my peoples out of YouTube land. My YouTube world, like I like to call it. It's a couple of my young birds. Early morning. Early morning. A couple of the soldiers. My brand new young bird loft. This shit looking exquisite. That's what happens when you got good friends, man. Good friends help you out with this. You know what I mean? See how my backyard looks now. Got my fences back up. Got still the old coops. Did a little paint on that one. Has some extra paint. Makes it all white. I should have did that a long time ago. Just makes everything clean. But all this is going. August, I might have brand new lofts coming all the way around here, coming all the way around there, and then going all the way around to there. All screens coming towards the middle. My little spot to chill will be right here. My little chilling area once I clean it up. My little table here, little umbrella, chill when the sun hits, you know what I mean? Got it off the floor nice so the air comes under, nothing can chill underneath there. I got me a little rat and chihuahua. I dare anything to get up underneath there. She'll eat them up. A little mean little bitch. Person included. She let her bite a motherfucker. You already know. I'm about to go inside, take you to the inside, show you how it's looking. Hold on. Alright, continue up real quick. Part 2. Got my second wave coming soon. Got about another 20 I'm gonna flip in here. Probably next weekend. Having a big barbecue next week. Got my boy Raul Delgado Sr. Gonna be exquisite up there. It's my dude that facilitated my coup. Him and my boy Leo. Just see I got my catalyst down. I do scrape and get my catalyst, scrape out all the clumps and keep it moving. I'm gonna do that shit tonight when I get off work. I'll come feed my birds for the nighttime feed. As you see, the feed is empty. I ate it up good last night. We got some young birds for sale, but they're all in the darker colors, alright? Everybody looking for some young birds, holler at me. Still saving birds for the show though, so. Bird copping off back there. Alright. Bunch of young birds here. Hens acting like cocks, cocks acting like hens. Till they figure it out, you know what I mean? You already know it's your boy Los, King's Catch Keep. One.